Python Development Services 101, Python Development Services Django. This video will explore Python Development Services in detail. 1. Custom Application Development. Unlock the full potential of your business with custom applications. Our skilled Python developers excel at understanding unique business requirements and transforming them into robust, scalable, and efficient custom applications. We leverage frameworks like Django, Flask, and Pyramid to build user-friendly, maintainable, and scalable applications. Key features: tailored Python application development for unique business needs. Seamless integration of third-party APIs and services. User-friendly and intuitive interfaces. Robust and scalable applications with clean, modular coding practices. Continuous support and maintenance. 2. Web development. Transform your online presence with cutting-edge Python web development services. Our dedicated team of Python experts understands the latest web development technologies and frameworks. Key offerings: custom Python web application development tailored to your business needs. Front-end development for intuitive and user-friendly interfaces. Back-end development for efficient data processing and server-side logic. Database integration and management. API development and third-party service connectivity. 3. Data science and analytics. Leverage Python's powerful libraries, such as Pandas, NumPy, and SciPy, for data analysis, visualization, and predictive modeling. Extract insights from large data sets, create interactive dashboards, and make data-driven decisions. Our expertise includes statistical analysis, machine learning, and data visualization. 4. Machine learning and AI solutions. Develop intelligent applications using Python for tasks like natural language processing, image recognition, and recommendation systems. Utilize libraries like TensorFlow, PyTorch, and scikit-learn to build and deploy machine learning models. Enhance user experiences with personalized recommendations and predictive features. Remember, Python's versatility makes it an excellent choice for various development needs. Whether you're building web apps, data-driven solutions, or AI-powered systems, Python has you covered.